Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show how to classify your data using binary logistic regression. The first step is to identify your variables. Here I have mental health data of students. My dependent variables would be depression, which is a binary variable, as you can see here. Values are in 0 and 1. And my independent variables would be academic pressure, financial stress, study satisfaction. So I'll go to regression and conduct a binary logistic regression. I will put into dependent variables academic pressure, financial stress, and study satisfaction. My dependent variable would be depression, and I will click OK. As you can see here that three values are missing. So before doing this analysis, you might prefer to do a missing value analysis and just do the data imputation. If you want to learn how to do the missing value analysis, you can check the other videos on my channel. Okay, now we will go to the classification table here. You can see that the correct percentage of classification here is 67% and a total overall percentage of 76.5. Correct classification, which is a very decent, good classification. Variables in the equation table shows the different variables that we have taken and their significance level and the strength of the beta coefficient. So academic pressure we took, it has 0.825 beta coefficient, significant at 0.00. So that is very significant. We can say that in the classification, academic pressure was highly able to predict depression scores. On the other hand, financial stress and study satisfaction have lower beta coefficient. They are also significant, but the strength is less. So they are also able to predict depression scores, but not as much as academic pressure. So our variable, which is very strong and significant here in predicting and classifying depression scores, is academic pressure. So this is a very basic overview of how you can conduct classification of your data using binary logistic regression. Found it useful? Please like the video. If you have any questions, please comment.